Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll guide you through how to create an AI presentation using the best AI presentation maker called Gamma AI. And Gamma AI is the best tool in the market for creating a presentation. So first, what you're going to need to do is visit the website called Gamma AI, and this website's going to come up. So once you log in, you're going to see an interface just like this. And Gamma AI has a paid plan and also a free plan. In the free plan, they will give you 400 credits, and that's enough for trying everything in their free plan and just to check out this tool whether you like it or not. So in order to create an AI slideshow using Gamma AI, what you're gonna need to do is click on new Gamma, and in the left hand side you can see different formats. What you're gonna select is presentation, and we're gonna select the traditional 16:9 ratio, which is the default size for most of the presentation. And after that, we're going to see an interface just like this. Now, in order to create a whole presentation using Gamma AI, what you're going to need to do is click on the agent button at the top right corner, and you're going to see an interface like this. And in order to create a presentation just using prompt, what you're going to need to do is just type a prompt like create me 10 or 12 page presentation on how to start a bakery business. And the more detail you put in your prompts, the more informative or visually enticing slideshow Gamma AI is gonna help you make. So just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna keep the prompt simple and hit enter. And it's gonna cost us 10 credits. And as you can see, the AI is creating the presentation for us. Now, guys, as you can see, the AI has actually created us a 12-page document, and in the left-hand side, you can see that so it actually helped us create 11 pages rather than 12 pages. Maybe rather than 12 page, it helped us create 11 because of something related to credit issues. But nonetheless, if you look at the presentation and all the information the AI has provided, and if you read the information, you can see that each and every information is accurate. And you can also see that the AI has generated pictures and also created different in-depth slide and information just using a simple prompt like create me a 12-page presentation on how to start a bakery business. And it has laid out the entire presentation as perfect as it could. And for example, if you want to edit any of this information, you can just select any of the item and you can just edit anything that you want like this. So guys, that's how easy it is to create a presentation using AI, and you can see all the information and all the pictures and also the design and everything the AI had used to create this presentation just using a simple prompt is extremely accurate and extremely to the next level. And if you want to view the slide in a presentation mode, click on the present button. We can see how it looks as a presentation, and as you can see, it has animations. When we move from one slide to another, everything is made in a way a professional would do that. And if you want to like use this as a pitch deck or maybe as a presentation for your school or college, you can actually do it. So that's how easy it is to create a presentation using Gamma AI. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more AI related tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.